Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can easily turn on library sharing on Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, it should be on Steam, of course. Then just go to Steam, Settings, on the left up corner. Go to Family, you will be an account, click on Family. And then you just authorize library sharing on this computer. Then what will happen, that Family library sharing enables you, oh it's backed. Family library sharing enables you to share your Steam library with others on this computer. Once authorized, Steam users on shared computers may access, download and play your available library on Steam games while you're not playing. So if you have a friend, brother, who, whatever, like family member, he needs to log in on the computer, and then you will find the account here. And when I'm going to click manage other computers, you can see right here that in 2014 I had these games available from my friend. And this is how we do it. So this is how you can easily turn on family share on Steam. Thank you everybody. I hope you're going to have a great day, and goodbye.